let's get to, in fact, reactions that are now coming into Farooq's comment. Farooq Abdullah has made that shocking statement. The opposition has lashed out at him. Ghulam Nabi Azad's DPAP has called his statement unfortunate and has said that the martyrdom, the sacrifice of our Jawans are being questioned by these kind of comments by Farooq Abdullah.
देखिए, डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला बेहद ही सीनियर राजनेता हैं और उनकी तरफ से इस तरह का भारतीय सेना के शौर्य पर सवाल उठाना हमें लगता है बेहद ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। ये पूरी तरह से भारतीय सेना के उन वीर जवानों के बलिदानों के ऊपर सवाल उठाना है जो अपना सर्वोत्तम बलिदान देश पर नशावर करते हैं। इस तरह का बयान बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, हम इसकी निंदा करते हैं।
All right, taking this back across to Sunil Ji. Sunil Ji, good to see at least that there's condemnation cutting across, political lines, say, in the valley over Farooq Abdullah's comment.
Well, actually, yes, political parties like Democratic Progressive Azad Party as well as the Bharatiya Janata Party have condemned, Farooq Abdullah for making these shocking remarks. And, Akshata, this is a time when the entire nation should get together and in one voice the political class should, speak against Pakistan and they should speak against Pakistan-sponsored terrorism. But unfortunately, our political leaders and the political parties even play politics over this issue, over the issue of national security. And we have lost two of our brave hearts in the Anantnag encounter. They have made the supreme sacrifice of their lives. So it's a matter of huge concern for the entire nation. And the security agencies are on their job.
Okay, just request you to stay with me. Ravinder Raina, Jammu and Kashmir BJP chief, is joining us on this broadcast. रविंदर जी, आपको क्या कहना है? फारूक अब्दुल्ला अभी बोलते हैं कि सब मिले हुए हैं, आर्मी और टेररिस्ट कश्मीर में.
This is very unfortunate that Dr. Farooq Abdullah, who remains the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir and the Union Minister, is making such a baseless allegations. Farooq Abdullah must tell that who's responsible for this terrorism, anarchy mess in Jammu and Kashmir. Who was responsible for this infiltration when he was the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir? Dr. Farooq Abdullah must tell us who's responsible for killing of the hundreds of the innocent people when he was the Chief Minister. Dr. Farooq Abdullah is a very responsible person. He should not use such words against our forces, our brave hearts, the brave hearts of Jammu and Kashmir police, paramilitary forces, Indian Army and the BSF are taking their responsibilities with the most sincerity and integrity. Terrorists are being neutralized. Anti-terror operations are being carried out. We are proud of our brave hearts, those who are serving in Jammu and Kashmir. Instead of making such controversial statements, Dr. Farooq Abdullah must criticize Pakistan.
No, but the problem is, Mr. Ravinder Raina, the problem is that people like Farooq Abdullah, leaders like Farooq Abdullah, make these comments repeatedly. They're habitual offenders, sir. No action is taken. They're emboldened. They continue to make these kind of provocative comments.
This is, I think, they are making some desperate attempts as they are trying to create a propaganda. They are trying to create a narrative. But whole India and the people of Jammu and Kashmir knows their credential. Our brave hearts, our brave Jawans of Indian Army, Jammu Kashmir Police, BSF, paramilitary forces, they are keeping their duties with utmost sincerity. Whosoever sneak into the Indian territory, she will not be spared. One who tries to wage war against the country shall not be spared any cost.
Okay, Mr. Ravinder Raina, thank you for joining us with your view on this comment coming in from Farooq Abdullah, where he is in fact going ahead and saying that the army terrorists, they're all the same mile hue hai, according to him, to go ahead and target the valley. There's outright condemnation for this comment, but like I said, Mr. Farooq Abdullah is known to make these kind of comments, has repeatedly done it.